think about what?
You just actually need to go get the motorcycle license. The cops pull you over.
Yeah.
They want their cash one way or another. Like, it doesn't matter. You don't have the license, papers, all that shit. Like,
Yeah.
just need more or less ticket money. If they really want to nail you, they'll get you. License or not. They usually capped up on the corners over there, actually. Here and there.
What's that?
Somebody with a full-on ninja suit. Are you typing?
Oh yeah.
There you go.
What's that?
You could start a whole new video series.
I'm going to, yeah.
Driving around in Saigon.
Well, nobody seems to be doing it on the YouTubes yet.
That's because they're afraid their phones are going to get stolen.
I have 2 hands.
They might have 4.
What's that?
They might have 4.
Who?
More accomplished thieves.
First you have to get it out of my hand.
I've seen a guy let go of the bars and do a 2-handed snatch before. Crazy boys.
Maybe I'm not yet. Huh? I don't know, I just pay a fool to drop it out to me. What's that?
More power.
It's impossible to explain to somebody at a stereo store here that you want the speaker to be small, but very large sound.
Strong sound.
If they want to be loud, they show you a big one. You're like, no, I want little and loud.
Called the GoPro, man.
I'm surprised people don't go with GoPro. GoPro.
Edit these films in any way?
Huh?
You edit these films in any way?
Yes. No. No, I haven't bothered. Who cares? They're mainly for the moms.
Nick up there?
Hey, it's Nick.
Wow.
Hey, Nick.
He can hear you.
Hey, Nick. You know when you think you hear somebody calling your name in Saigon?